What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, on social media, since Andar came out with their fantastic Aspen leather cases for iPhones, people have been asking, do this for Android. Please do this for Android. Do this for Android. Do it for Samsung. Well, Andar have listened. So here it is right in front of me. So different box than normal for the Aspen, but it says Andar on the bottom. Nothing else on this, but it does say Galaxy S24 Ultra Jet Black. This may not be the official packaging. This could still be the packaging. This could be pre-production. So bear that in mind, because obviously the case doesn't come out, I think, until the day you're watching this video. So the 14th, this case comes out. So you might get this packaging, but you'll have to let me know in the comment section if you decide to order it. But also don't let them know. If you do decide to order it, use the link down below. Get you some discount. Andar on the bottom right there, so if we lift it up from the side, a little thank you note front and centre, so we'll get that out the way, and then there we go. Let's take that out the way. So the little bag that the cases always come in, it says Andar in black on the front, and then if we take it out of the little pouch, and there it is. You know what we got to do, the all important smell test. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. It smells so good. So, metal ring around the camera housing, metal buttons, of course. Are they metal or are they plastic? I think they are a metal button, but they're not cold to the touch, or they don't really feel it, but yeah, I think it is. I think it is. Cutouts on the top, nothing on this side. Cutouts on the bottom and the Andar logo right there. Cut out for your charger, your microphone, speaker, and your S Pen. Well, I didn't know that. I did not know that. It's got MagSafe. And actually inside the MagSafe ring, not in the ring, but in the little piece that sits down. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but you got the Andar there, and then S24 Ultra. Wow, I did not know that. Andar have just changed the game. Let's drop the S24 Ultra into its case. So there is the titanium with the black leather. Also comes in a tan style colour, sort of the same as this, so it does come in that colour too. Nice clicky tactile button, that's what we like to see. And covers the screen with the little lips that runs all the way around the top and the bottom, so you can place it face down and not have to worry about your screen. But I've got a screen protector on there and it still doesn't sit all the way over, so it does cover, thankfully. Those cameras are nice and recessed into the housing. It's really nice to see, so you got no worries there. They are nice and recessed into the housing, so your cameras are nice and protected. And then flipping it over, as you can see, they're all recessed into there, but you will need to get your finger in to get your S Pen out. So you'll need to get that finger in there and a bit of a nail-ish to get that. I mean, I haven't got much nail there, but you will need to get in there to get that out. But it's nice and recessed in, so you don't have to worry about those. But now, of course, because it's got MagSafe, we've got the square Apple MagSafe battery pack. We'll see. So it sits just under the camera housing. I don't know how that was going to work. It does say it is charging, so that's a good thing. But normally it sits above the cameras, so like just half the bottom one and around. It's working, that's what we want to see. So let me bring in the Nomad base stand. Now you know how heavy this base stand is. It is super heavy. You've been watching the channel a while, let's see. Okay, so it sits on. We'll pick it up though. It's trying its hardest to pick it up, but it just hasn't got it in it. No. Wirelessly charging, so it is charging, so that's a bonus. But unfortunately it just won't pick up the Nomad base stand, so the MagSafe is not that strong really. But then if you put this on the back, so it clicks in, it ain't that strong. So yeah, I mean, I can feel that coming off. But I mean, it's on there, it's going to stay on there. You've got to walk around like this, you're not going to walk around shaking your phone about, are you? Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. As I say, at the start of, from when this video goes live, on the 14th of June, this case is now available to buy. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is this something you were waiting for from Andar? Let me know that in the comments too. And as I say, don't forget, check the description down below. Discount code, but shh, don't tell them. Don't tell them. Just go and click the link, order, and say nothing. But there we go. So, Aspen for the S24 Ultra with MagSafe. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think that is a major win, and that is exactly what we all wanted. So huge props to Andar for doing that, and thank you guys so much for watching, because that's how we were able to get this so quickly before the launch day, and to be able to take a first look at it, to bring it to you guys. So thank you guys so much too. But if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.